Uh, Now I have written on the board while you are enjoying your break some English sentences. Mainly they consist of adjectives, noun and adjectives. Adjectives and the noun qualify. In Arabic, what will I say? They are naat and man'ut. Let us try to translate. Because if you will translate them correctly, thinking, pondering, then you will become strong. One combination at a time. A big book, brothers, sister Salma, a big book, what will you say? Kitabun kabirun. And, which is wow, a small pen. Kalamun sagirun. See now, naat manut matches, indefinite, indefinite. Sister Hafsa, the big book. If you say Al-Kitabu Kabirun, you made a sentence. We just want to say the big book. In the first sentence, Kitabun Kabirun. Now you are saying Al-Kitabu, then it has to be Al-Kabiru. Make sure, huh? Okay. And what will be the same sentence, now it is definite noun. What will you say after that? Wal kalamu as-sagir. What will you say? Wal kalamu as-sagir. Kalamu as-sagir. What will you say? Wal kalamu as-sagir. Got the idea? Watch, and you will be writing them in Arabic, right, at home. Sister Abhi, third is yours. A new desk. MashaAllah, maktubun jadidun. Wal madrasatu al kadimatu. Because it is muannas. So the naat has to be muannas. Al madrasatu al kadimatu. Got the idea? You got it, Brother Muhammad? Wal madrasatul kadimatu. Brother Hassan? Matching. Okay, Sister Sukhaina. Kalamun saghirun wal kitabus saghiru. As-saghiru. If you say al-kitabu, and if you want to have a naat now, then as-saghiru. But if you say al-kitabu saghirun, then you made a sentence. We are just making naat manut here. Sister Naima, the old house. Then again you made a sentence. You follow? Al-Baytul Al-Kadim. Don't make sentences. Just do exactly what the nouns tell us to do. Where are you? Al-Baytul Al-Kadimu, Al-Baytul Kadimu, and wa babun jadidun. See, definite, indefinite, naat manut has to match. Sister Fatima, the tall boy, al-waladu at-tawilu, al-waladu at-tawilu. Both al will come. And what is then? A short girl. So, shall I say al-bintu? No. It has to be bintun. So what will be bintun? Short is kasir. So what will you say? Let us start from the beginning. What will you say, Sister Fatima? Al-waladu tawilu, al-waladu tawilu, al-waladu tawilu, wa bintun kasiratun. Why kasiratun? Because bintun is muannas. This is a very beautiful exercise. It will make you think, and will make you strong. We read it again, Sister Fatima. Al-waladu tawilu wa bintun kasiratun. Very good. Sister Sumaya. The tall girl. if you say al bintu tawilatun, what is the translation? The girl is tall. We want you to say the tall girl. You got the idea? Naat and man'ut match in gender, in case, in definite, indefinite, and in numbers. All these 4 conditions, you have to keep them in mind. Okay? So it will become al-bintu tawilatu wal-waladus saghiru. Got the idea, brother and sister? Fine. Sister Arifa, where are you? An old chair. Kursiyun kadimun. Indefinite. Kursiyun kadimun. And then a long desk. Long is ya tawilun. Wa maktabun. No, wa maktabun tawilun. We are here. Wa maktabun tawilun. Okay. I missed it. I didn't write it. Did I write it? An old chair? Okay, I think I missed. An old chair and the new room. Fine. Now say, Sister Arifa, now it is your turn. Kursiyun kadimun wal ghurfatul jadidatu. Wal ghurfatu jadidatu, because it is muannas. Okay. Sister Aisha? Yes, a big book. How will you say a big book? Si kitabun kabirun. Kitabun kabirun. This is not a complete sentence. It's not manut. So, on a big book. On a big book. Ala kitabin kabirin. Indefinite. Ala kitabin kabirin. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Okay. What is the next one? The small school. Sister Nasreen, the small school. School, what is school? Al-madrasatu. How will you say small? Saghiratu. Al-madrasatu saghiratu. The small scale. Small school. And then what is the one? In the small school. Fil madrasatis saghirati. Fil madrasatis saghirati. Okay. Matching. Definite, definite, indefinite, indefinite. Muannas, muannas. Muzakkar, muzakkar. Fine. Sister Manas? No. Minal maktabil kadimi. Because it is muzakkar. Minal maktabil kadimi. Because it is muzakkar. And then on the new chair, the new chair. Jadidi. That is correct. Beautiful. Nusrat, an old house. Baitun kadimun. In the new school.
Madrasati
Al-jadidati. Because madrasati al-jadidati. Well, this is a very important exercise. If you do it, Insha'Allah, you will become strong. If you want, I'll repeat this exercise tomorrow also. Because knowing Nat Manut very well will help you a lot later on in the lessons. Okay. Now, Brother Muhammad, where are you? A big knife. Sikkinun kabirun. Sikkinun kabirun. And the long key. Wal miftahu tawil. Al miftahu tawil. No, tall and long, you said. Okay, fine. Brother Hassan, on the short boy. Alal wala. When you Hafjar, alal wala di. Alal waladis saghiri. Alal waladis saghiri. Fine. And then from an old friend. Min. No, you cannot say al because it is indefinite. Min sadiqin kadimin. What will you say? Min sadiqin. Because it is indefinite. From an old friend. So min sadiqin and the naat will come kadimin. No al here because we are using indefinite an. Okay, Brother Abdul Samad. Yeah, the big room. The big room. Al-Ghurfatul Kabiratul. Al-Ghurfatul Kabiratul. And then on the big mountain, Alal Jabalil Kabiri. Alal Jabalil Kabir. MashaAllah. Very good. Along the street. A long street. Shari'un Tawilun. Yeah. Because a shari'un Tawilun. What will next one? In the في السيارة صغيرة. But you are all making mistakes, but it's okay. It's okay, but because see, we are learning. You will, Insha'Allah, do it at home, and I will do it tomorrow again, Insha'Allah. Brother? Now this is a complete sentence. The big book is on the new desk. You are saying Al-Kitabul Kabiri. Why did you make Kabiri, brother? Are you angry at jalebis? Al-Kitabu, so the naat has to be Al-Kabiru. Are you with me? Al-Kitabu Al-Kabiru. Then Alal Maktabil Jadidi. Remember, naat manut must match. Okay. Very good, Brother Muhammad. Did you get it, brother? Oh no, it's Brother Farooq. Brother Hamid is a short boy. Yeah. So Hamid is a short boy. Hamidun waladun. Short is kasirun. Hamidun waladun kasirun. See, Hamid is a short boy. Waladun kasirun. And wa hadiyatu bintun tawilatun. Why tawilatun, brother? Because it is muannas, bintun. If the manut is muannas, the naat has to be muannas. Okay. It seems, most of you are having a little problem. We got to solve this problem. We got to do this exercise again. But first, you get to write it. Try to write it, and we'll do this exercise. If not tomorrow, because you have a lot of things to write. So during weekend, you write this. And we will do it again in the class on Monday, Insha'Allah. But you must do this exercise so that on Monday, everybody should be perfect. Okay. Sister Salma, you got here. Hamid is in the big house. Hamidun fil baytil kabiri. Wa khatijatu fil sayaratil kadimati. Fil sayaratil kadimati. We just made this sentence on our own, just to give you the idea of Naatman. Sister Afza, the pen is on the old desk. The pen, what will you say? Al-Kalamu Alal Al-Maktabit Al-Maktabil Jadidi. Okay. Naat Manut, yes. Wal-Kitabu Alal Al-Kursiyil Kadimi. Insha'Allah. Got the idea?